Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to uninstall an app in Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to uninstall an app in Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to uninstall an app in Shopify store. So today I'm going to show you how to uninstall an app in Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Uninstalling an app in Shopify store is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now here in left corner, you are seeing different options. Click on setting in bottom left corner. Now click on apps and sales channels. Now you are seeing installed apps. If you are willing to uninstall an app, click on three dots in front of that app. Now click on uninstall. Again click on uninstall. The app has been uninstalled. There you go. If you wanted to know how to uninstall an app in Shopify store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.